Blue butterfly pea flower tea is a popular drink with many health benefits. It is made from the flowers of the Clitoria ternatea plant, which is native to Southeast Asia. This tea has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat various conditions. In recent years, there has been increasing scientific evidence to support the health benefits of this tea. Here, we will discuss some of the most notable health benefits of the blue butterfly pea flower tea. 1. It can help improve cognitive function and memory. A study published in the journal BMC Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that blue butterfly pea flower tea can help improve cognitive function and memory. The study involved 60 healthy adults given either a placebo or blue butterfly pea flower tea for 12 weeks. The participants who consumed the tea showed significantly improved performance on tests of working memory, executive function, and attention compared to those who took the placebo. These findings suggest that blue butterfly pea flower tea may be beneficial for improving cognitive function and memory. If you are looking for a natural way to boost your brain power, this tea is worth trying. 2. It has anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. The blue butterfly pea flower tea contains a quercetin compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These properties make this tea helpful for treating various conditions such as arthritis, asthma, and eczema. A study published in the journal Nutrients found that quercetin can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. This tea also contains other antioxidants, such as catechins and proanthocyanidins, which can help protect the body against damage from free radicals. 3. It can help lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is a common condition that can lead to serious health complications such as heart attacks and strokes. The blue butterfly pea flower tea contains compounds that can help relax the blood vessels and reduce blood pressure. A study published in the journal Phytotherapy Research found that this tea effectively lowered blood pressure in people with hypertension. The study involved 60 participants given either a placebo or blue butterfly pea flower tea for 12 weeks. The group who consumed the tea showed a significant reduction in systolic and diastolic blood pressure compared to the placebo group. These findings suggest that blue butterfly pea flower tea may help treat high blood pressure. If you are looking for a natural way to lower your blood pressure, this tea is worth trying. 4. It can help maintain the immune system, healthy bones, teeth, and muscles. The blue butterfly pea flower tea is rich in vitamins and minerals, which are essential for the body to function properly. This tea contains high levels of vitamin C, which is vital for maintaining a healthy immune system. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the body against infection and disease. The blue butterfly pea flower tea also contains calcium necessary for healthy bones and teeth. Calcium is also vital for muscle function. A study published in the journal Nutrients found that this tea can help improve bone health by increasing bone density and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. This tea is also rich in magnesium, necessary for muscle function and relaxation. Magnesium deficiency can lead to muscle cramps, fatigue, and anxiety. The blue butterfly pea flower tea can help prevent these symptoms by providing the body with the magnesium it needs. 5. It can help improve digestion. The blue butterfly pea flower tea contains compounds that can help improve digestion. This tea is rich in fiber, essential for keeping the digestive system healthy. Fiber helps to bulk up stool and prevents constipation. The blue butterfly pea flower tea also contains tannin, which has astringent properties. Astringent compounds help shrink and tighten the tissues in the digestive tract, which can help treat diarrhea. These properties can also help to relieve bloating and gas. 6. It can help promote weight loss. The blue butterfly pea flower tea can also help promote weight loss. This tea is rich in polyphenols, which are compounds that have been shown to boost metabolism and burn fat. A study found that polyphenols can increase thermogenesis, which is the process of heat production in the body. This process helps to burn more calories and promote weight loss. The blue butterfly pea flower tea also contains catechins, a type of polyphenol that promotes weight loss. 7. It can help relieve stress and improve sleep quality. The blue butterfly pea flower tea can also help to relieve stress. This tea is rich in compounds that can help to promote relaxation. It can also help to improve sleep quality. A study found that this tea can help to reduce the symptoms of anxiety and depression. The blue butterfly pea flower tea can also help improve the quality of life for people suffering from chronic stress. As you can see, the blue butterfly pea flower tea is a versatile and healthy beverage everyone can enjoy. This tea has many health benefits, including reducing inflammation, boosting immunity, lowering blood pressure, maintaining bone health, improving digestion, and promoting weight loss. If you are looking for a healthy and delicious way to improve your health and sleep quality, this tea is worth trying. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 7 brilliant benefits of Sarsop tea leaf. Thanks for watching and bye for now.